you had your commitment already. And your commitment is in public. No? So I guess we are true to our commitment. So from now on, we are members of those people who are really fighting against drugs. Okay? So this is one of our aim, no? To be an advocate of this drug victims reduction. Kaya giingon ganina ni Dr. Bernales, naging siguro itong mahulot, pero at least ma-minimize, ma-reduce ang mga biktima. O kita mismo, dili magpabiktima. Diba? Okay. So, before they will go, if you have clarification, questions, you can always, you will be giving, let's say, few minutes to hear your questions to us.